Today I have 3 ingredients for long and thick hair. Your hair can't stop growing with these amazing ingredients. So if you suffered any form of hair loss and you want a fast hair growth recipe, this video is for you. How to prepare. The first ingredient I'm making use of is cloves. I made use of a spoon of cloves. Benefits of cloves. Cloves contains high level of antioxidants and nutrients that add to the growth and strength of your hair. It also helps in reducing scalp issues such as dandruff. It also contains anti-inflammatory agents that further thickens your hair. The second ingredient I'm making use of is bay leaves. I made use of 4 bay leaves. If you have the fresh bay leaf, you can make use of 2. Benefits of bay leaves. Bay leaves helps in boosting hair growth and strengthens your hair follicles. It is also rich in vitamin B. The next ingredient I'm making use of is coffee. I made use of 2 sachets of coffee, which is equals to a spoon of coffee. Benefits of coffee for hair growth. Coffee helps to stimulate your hair follicles and speeds up hair growth. The caffeine found in coffee improves your blood circulation to the scalp. I made use of 1.5 cup of water. And I allowed it to boil for 10 minutes. If you just came across my video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like my video, it helps my video. I sieved and I poured it into my applicator bottle. How to apply for long and thick hair. I sprayed it on my scalp after sectioning my hair, as you can see me doing on my video. I also sprayed on my hair strands and I sprayed it down to the tip of my hair. Then I massage gently in order to improve blood circulation. This also darkens your hair. My hair used to be very light, but when I started applying this hair growth spray, it became thick and dark. So when do you apply this hair growth spray? You can apply it in the night. You can also use it twice in a week. Then you cover your hair with a plastic bag to let the hair growth spray penetrate your hair. Then you wash off in 30 minutes. Then you apply your leave-in conditioner and oil. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.